Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key, volume up and home button together for a few seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release all keys. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and that's how you can enter Fastboot Mode. So if you want to quit this mode, hold down power key and volume down as it says here, and that's how you can exit this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.